I'm going to talk about gaining and enlightenment. The mind, before it is exposed to the concept of enlightenment, it might not know what it is. Enlightenment is just an idea. So when the mind is exposed to the concept of enlightenment, it wants to gain it. What drives the ego, the first thought, I, that identify with the physical body as itself, basically is gaining. It wants to gain pleasure, and it wants to gain the absence of pain. Because pleasure is just absence of pain, basically what drives the whole mind, the identification of it, the ego itself, is gaining. So now if you try to gain enlightenment, you are actually trapped in the same identification, just like gaining objects of the world. And what the mind does, it objectifies enlightenment, when in fact it's exactly reverse the journey. Gaining is always outward bent, to gain something in the future. You cannot gain enlightenment in the future because it is your true nature right now, before space and time. So what happens? You have to undo all the gaining. You have to undo all the desires. You have to undo all the ideas, and then the mind just absorbs or dissolves into the source itself. The moment you directly experience the silence, this is enlightenment beyond the concept of enlightenment itself. If you think you will gain enlightenment in the future, this is just a trap of the mind, the ego itself. Observe it, be aware it, and examine if that thought is even real, and who is aware of this thought, and where is the thought arise from, and trace it back from where it arises from, until you experience in that moment the silence from within. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.